You use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, you search for fun, and you search to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use this to make big money online? Yes, there's a website that pays you to use Google. You can use it on your phone, you can use it on your laptop or computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can do it from your bed, you can do it in the beach, you can do it while waiting in line, you can do it in your ride home, you can do it literally anywhere you want as long as you have access to the internet. If you watch this video until the end, I'll explain to you step by step how to do this so you can start making money right now. But before we start, make sure to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new make money online strategies. And with that being said, let's begin. Okay, as always, I'll explain to you each and every step and I want you to follow along with me. So right after this video, we'll be ready to go out there and earn some money. So just pay close attention and follow the steps, and keep in mind that this is going to be really easy since we'll be using just 2 websites. So the first website is just going to be Google, and I'm going to show you the second one in a minute, but first of all, I just want to address something. A lot of you guys are asking me why I'm sharing these methods with you, like why don't I just give them to myself and make money? Well, firstly, I'm doing this to help because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling to make money, and secondly, I already have my own business model that makes me a lot more money, and until recently, I didn't want to share this with anyone. I didn't want to show this business to anyone, but then I realized that the more people in this business, the better. So I started teaching people every day to do the same. I share my business model with them, and I must admit I'm happier because I get to see people going from broken and desperate to making hundreds, in some cases even thousands of dollars, because this is truly unique. It's not affiliate marketing, it's not merch selling, it's not Shopify, not MLM, it's not some legendary marketer whatsoever, and if you want me to explain it to you step by step, I want to teach you exactly how you can do the same and show you the exact same methods that hundreds of students use to make big money online. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So the first step for you is just to open up Google and leave it like that. Okay, so the main website you'll be using combined with Google so we can make money by searching on Google is gonna be this website. But you must keep watching because if you just go over straight to this site and you try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do, because I'm going to show you the simple Google trick that will actually allow you to get paid a lot of money with this website. So I'm going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google, and I'm also going to explain to you exactly how this works, and if you follow each and every step during this video, by the end of it, you'll be ready to make money as I said. As you can see, this site has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world, so you know it's worth it. Like, they've been working with Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and much more. As you can see, all of these are some of the biggest companies in the world, and take a look at how much money there is to be made with one simple search. It can be $1,600, $800, $800, $800, $800, $10,000, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of money to be made here. Now, you will just need to sign up to this website called mindsumo.com. And how you do that? Well, you click here, logging/sign up. So click on logging/sign up. Since you don't have an account yet, click on I don't have an account yet. You can sign up for free. Just enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your country, email address, create a unique password right here, and select your birth date, gender, and then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill areas. So you'll need to select creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now, this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average proficiency or above average, regardless of what your skills actually are, because this is going to give you high chances of making more money. So I would select average proficiency, and once again, average proficiency. After filling out this personal info, now there are going to be questions like, why are you interested in using MindSumo? and what types of projects are you most interested in solving. Now, we just answer questions like this one, the first question, because it's better to train your minds by searching something or just answering something by searching it on somewhere. And the other question here is like, you're interested in many things, as that proves that you can answer many of their questions where you can get paid right here. Now, you don't have to take these 3 boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list, and that's obviously not what you want. You don't want to spam emails or whatever, so you'll just need to take these 3 boxes, accept their terms and conditions and their privacy policy. You can read by clicking on these links, and this one, which is to avoid plagiarizing on your work, which then after that, just click on I'm not a robot. Completed the challenge, which in this case is like the cars, and just click the sign up and you have an account in mindsumo.com. Now, once you log into your account and you scroll a little bit down, you're going to be able to see all of these different challenges or questions and projects which you can answer and get paid for doing. You can see they're paying from a couple of hundreds of dollars all the way up to thousands. And basically here on the left hand side, you're going to be able to see different categories which you can select. So there's definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on these websites, since there are new questions and new projects and new challenges coming in every single day. Let me show you some past projects. Like if I open up, for example, this one over here, you're going to be able to see how much money people have been making from this challenge alone. You can see the total budget was $10,000 for the top, and there were 10 top answers, and those top 10 answers are splitting their revenue. As you can see, they're all getting $1,000 each. So if you're in the top 5, you're definitely going to be able to make that $1,000. In this case, sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that, but stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search Google. Anyways, I want to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then just select any of these projects you like and you will enter that project. So you can see they're going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win a share of $1,600. So what's that Google trick? Well, here's what you do. You'll need to copy this question right here. Copy that. Go over to Google and paste the question right here so we can find an answer here on Google. You can go through all these articles. For example, open up this one and try to find if there's an answer to our question. So once again, their question was, how can an artificial intelligence technology help us write? And you can see this is exactly what we're looking for. So they're giving examples of how that could look like. So this is really professionally answered. It'll most likely be in one of the top shares on here, and you saw how easy that was. All I did was I just copied this, I went over to Google, I searched for that question, and I have an answer right here. The next thing I need to do is to add the answer a little bit. So how did you do that? I went back to Google, I searched for Google Docs, so make sure to search for Google Docs and open on this website, docs.google.com. This is their official website. Now click on blank right here, click that, and go back to the article, and then you can copy and paste some of the answers. Paste it right here, go back, copy another one. So the longer the answer is, the better for you, to increase the chances of you making more money. If your answer is more profound, the better. And now you can of course add this, you can change the font, we could change the colors, maybe change some words. Like for example, instead of this, I can just select it. I can change it to blue and maybe change it to bold at that part or something like that. So you can see it's fully customizable and it's really easy. Just search for the answer on Google, edit it on Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File, go to Download, and download as a PDF document. Once you open up that document, it's going to look something like this. As you can see, this is really professional, and once you have it on your computer, you will just come back here and submit the answer, and you'll most likely get a share, or in this case, $1,600. Now bear in mind, you will not win a full $1,600. You will need to share that with other participants, but as you can see, it was pretty easy, and it took less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google. Just by searching, I found the answer in less than 5 minutes, and now I have a chance to win anywhere from like $20, $30, $50, or maybe even $100 or $200 for free. Now, this project was actually completed. You can see it's done, so I would need to find something that's actually opened and then submit my answers. For example, this one. Only thing I need to do again is just search in Google for the answer, find the answer, and once we find the answer, we just need to click on I have an idea to log into my account and my email address and my password and just submit the answer. So that's how easy it is. Just by searching on Google, there's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not a guarantee that you'll always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it should just take a couple of minutes searching Google. It's really easy, and as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like, so why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? And that is it for today's video. I hope you did get some value out of this, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.